Aortic stenosis or aortic valve stenosis, a heart defect narrowing of the aortic valve that prevents the blood flow from the heart to aorta and the rest of the body. Assessment of a patient with aortic stenosis in severe cases are heart murmur, chest pain, shortness of breath with activity, tachycardia, poor weight gain, and the most outstanding sign, dizziness when standing. The specific cause of aortic stenosis is unknown, but it may be related to congenital heart defect, rheumatic fever, and to aging people, this can also be related to a calcium buildup on the valve. Complications related to aortic stenosis are heart failure, stroke, blood clots, and arrhythmia. What are common diagnostic procedures we can utilize to identify this problem? We have echocardiogram. It uses a transducer to identify the valve obstruction. We also have ECG to identify the heart's enlargement disease and arrhythmias. We also include the chest X-ray to identify the heart enlargement, the possible calcium buildup, and the lungs condition. We utilize stress tests to identify the signs and symptoms related to activities. CT scan to identify the detailed images of the heart and its valves. Cardiac MRI to evaluate the size of the aorta and severity of the narrowing. Cardiac catheterization, where a thin tube catheter that use dye to visibly identify the structural heart problem. Mild stenosis with no signs and symptoms doesn't require treatments, but surgery is required for severe stenosis, such as aortic valve replacement. Number 2, balloon valvuloplasty, where insertion of a catheter with a balloon to open the aortic narrowing. Let's try to find out whether we've learned from this topic. Let's answer a sample question. Which of these facts is related to aortic stenosis? 1. BP is higher in the upper extremities and lower in the lower extremities. 2. Loud machinery like murmur. 3. Dizziness when standing. And 4. Thrill at suprasternal notch. So the answer is 3. Dizziness when standing is the outstanding sign of a patient with aortic valve stenosis.